you really are going to feel like one of the family here. So I've been an athlete all my life. I personally dealt with injuries. I've seen teammates deal with injuries. I was a runner. I've run 3 Boston marathons, and I was a wrestler in high school. I loved all sports, basketball, baseball, football. I pretty much played the gamut, and I enjoy playing the gamut of sports. So it really gives me a good insight into the type of injuries that the patients are suffering, and then the treatment modalities that I can provide for them and the best way that they can go about in accomplishing their return to their sport. I treat concussions, pretty much large joints, small joints. I like taking care of it all. I got extensive training in musculoskeletal ultrasound guided procedures. I think there's definitely the wave of the future. A lot of research still needs to kind of be poured into that to ensure that everything that we're doing is staying up to standard of care. And so I really try to make sure that they are fully aware of what the diagnosis is, fully aware of what their treatment is, and if they potentially have questions, make sure that those lines of communication are open. I think the biggest thing that I want patients to know is that I will 100% be an advocate for them from the time I start seeing them even to long after they see me. That it's not just going to be a one-time stop for me and that's it. I definitely want to see conclusion. I want to make sure that by the time they're out of my care, they're completely back to where they want to be. If you have any questions, they will be answered promptly. If you have any other concerns, we'll get you in quickly. We'll address all of your needs. It's that level of really being fully invested in your care that I think separates us. I want to fully be ingrained in the community and where I practice. I kind of want to be, part of people's families where they're not just, oh, I begrudgingly have to go here. I want to be able to see them at sporting events. I want to see them at grocery stores. I want to leave that lasting imprint, and that's kind of my goal.